never down, never. Like a flame in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine.
Hey you guys, welcome back, or welcome if you're new here today for a deep spring cleaning in my living room. We are going to be deep cleaning everything in my living room today, or mostly, and then we're also going to be doing like a mini living room makeover. I told you guys that I wanted to change the curtains. I wanted to add another side table, another lamp, and then change the plant out, add a few decor pieces, a little bit of some DIY decor, and yeah, so it's like a mini living room makeover. There's still some things that I want to add, like a bookshelf, just a few more things that will make the living room feel more complete and not as empty as it does to me right now. We just moved in here, so there's a lot of empty wall space that I want to take care of. But yeah, so we're starting with a little bit of it today. But before I did any of that, I did want to deep clean my living room a bit, move the couch, clean the covers, the rug, all that good stuff. So my sofa actually has removable sofa cushion covers. So what I'm doing is I'm passing the lint roller through all of them, but for their top ones, because they were filthy as you saw in the beginning, I am going to be throwing those in the wash, and I'm also going to be giving you guys some tips on how to wash sofa cushion covers so that you do not shrink them, because I know that's an issue and most manufacturers will tell you not to wash them in the washer just because they don't want to be held liable for shrinkage. But I am going to be giving you guys some tips to avoid shrinkage if you do want to do this. But then for the bottom ones, they're not too bad, but they do have a few stains on them that are very, very light. So what I'm doing is I'm just going to reverse them, because these cushion covers are also reversible. So I thought, hey, like half of the year I can have them reversed on the other side and then wash them, so I'm not washing them as much as I am washing the top ones. So anyways, yeah, we're gonna go ahead, take care of that, and then when it's time to put them in the washer, I'm gonna be giving you guys the tips. And I also put up a little screenshot on the screen so you guys can go ahead and save that if you plan on washing your cushion covers.
You rattle my cage without warning.
Alright y'all, so we're about to throw these cushion covers inside of the washer, and I just wanted to go over the tips with you guys, how to avoid shrinkage and to properly wash them. So the first thing you're going to do is make sure all the zippers are closed tight to avoid any tangles or ribs as they're turning in the washer. You want to wash on a cold and delicate cycle, again, to avoid shrinkage. So most washer machines have a delicate cycle button or setting or whatever, so that's what you want to choose. And if you could also choose how hot and cold it is, make sure you have it on the lowest setting so it is cold. You're going to use a dye-free detergent, no bleach. Bleach shrinks fabric. And if you're washing with white covers like I am, I would suggest only washing after you had just washed a load of whites to avoid color stains, just in case, like, I don't know, and this is not a thing, it's just my personal preference. I feel like if I wash colored clothes before then and then I throw in my white cushion covers after, that I can possibly get a stain. So that's what I would do. And then you're gonna air dry only. Never dry your cushion covers in the dryer machine, because they will shrink. So again, if you plan on doing this, go ahead and take a screenshot of the little PDF that I left on the screen. And now I'm just getting everything ready to start on decorating and doing everything that I had planned to do. But first I wanted to wipe everything down, move the couch, vacuum behind the couch, clean up, you know, deep cleaning. So I'm gonna kind of chill on the voiceover until we get to the decorating and changing the curtains and all that. So I'll catch up with you guys in a bit.
I can feel that you're changing me. Day by day got me shedding skin. The layers are peeled away. Got me moving through time and space. Your magic can't be erased. Can't be erased. You'll find a different side of me, the one I'd like to be. a different side of me, yeah, yeah. You'll find a different side of me, like someone pretty neat, a different side of me, yeah, yeah. Me, the one I'd like to be, a different side of me, yeah. We are who we are. Why don't I be me and you be you? We're spreading color around us. We're lighting up the sky, it's what we do. We shouldn't care about anyone or anything that brings us down. So come on now, let's be free. Just be yourself. Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do.
Alright y'all, so we did our little deep cleaning as much as we can. We did just move into this house, so it's not too terrible, but there was some stuff. But anyways, now we're going into changing the curtains, and this is not sponsored, but I was able to get a discount code for you guys that I'll leave on the screen from K George, and I hope I'm saying that right. That is where I got my new sheer curtains, and I also got those two beautiful curtain rods that are very farmhousey, but I'm not using those in the living room. I'm actually using those in my master bedroom makeover, so stay tuned for that, hint hint. But anyways, yeah guys, I love the curtains that they sent me. They are such good high quality material and they are perfect. They have a variety of options to choose for on their website and a ton of different colors, a ton of different lengths, as you guys are gonna see. The length that I had in these curtains didn't go all the way to the floor, but with K George I was able to find curtains that were the exact length of my ceiling, so it was able to drop down all the way to the floors but not quite drag on the floor, so I love that. And guys, these curtains really were the main transformation of the living room because I felt like it lightened everything up. The other curtains were not a bright white, they were like a bluish dingy type of white because they're room darkening, and I'm gonna use those in my master bedroom makeover. I still love them, but for the main floor I really wanted light and airiness and the light to come in, especially for spring and summer. So these curtains were beautiful. These were, I'll leave the links to the curtains that I chose down below, and again, definitely use the discount code to get 18% off. Use it at checkout. It's JW18, and I'll leave all of the information in the description and down below. But guys, they have a ton of different options to choose from, so definitely if you're in the market for curtains and you want to get a discount on them, go ahead and use that code. But right here in this clip you can actually see the window that I hadn't done yet, that I hadn't changed the curtains in, and you can see how much darker they are than the new ones that I put in. They're just a brighter white and they're sheer, and these are very, very like room darkening, so that is why I decided to move them. Definitely let me know down below what you think of the change, because I know a lot of people always tell me, oh, I love your curtains, where did you get your curtains at? And I do love them, but just not for the main space.
We parted, back to back we would carry on, and we'd do anything for what we started. But this time we could break. I'm running dry, everything's the same. We'll try tonight, but this time we're not safe and sound. Not safe and sound. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you?
Here here, I'm just going to be building the other side table. I did get the same exact side table as I have on the other side of the sofa and the same lamp. I always felt like ever since I set up my living room that I needed 2 side tables after I saw how it just looked with one. But I lived with the one for a while until we had it in the budget to get another one, even though these side tables are very affordable, and I'll have everything linked down below. This one is from Target. Both the side table and the lamp is from Target, and I absolutely love the way they go with the rest of the living room. So I'm just gonna be building it here, and you're gonna see my little helper helping me throughout. She loves getting her hands on anything that mama's doing, so get used to seeing her.
You're so fine, I can't get you off my mind. Ooh girl, nah nah. Ooh girl, nah nah. Baby girl, don't need to flex. Dance to the rhythm and you do all the rest. Ooh girl, nah nah. Ooh girl, nah nah. Fly me up with dreams, the only thing I need. When I'm down, lift me up with your company. There's no telling what you want me creating. We're on the same wavelength. Feel the beat tonight, something good inside. Set you free, let you lose all track of time. Come on, have a conversation. Don't treat me like a stranger. You give me motivation, make my life vacation. When we are together, I surrender. Give you all my money, make you look so lovely. Never feeling lonely. Baby girl, you're so fun.
Now I'm just putting the cushion covers back on, and there was no shrinkage whatsoever. I was able to put them back in so easily, y'all. So definitely follow those tips that I gave you guys.
Ooh girl, nah, nah. You're my island, tray of diamonds. It was fake, help me find you. You're a blessing, reminiscent of the time when I found myself guessing. Feel the beat tonight, something good inside. Set you free, let you lose all track of time. Come on, have a conversation. Don't treat me like a stranger. You give me motivation, make my life vacation. When we are together, I surrender. Give you all my money, make you look so lovely. Never feeling lonely. Baby girl, you're so fine, I can't get you off my mind. Ooh girl, nah nah. Ooh girl, nah nah. Baby girl, don't need to flex. Dance to the rhythm and you do all the rest. Ooh girl, nah nah. Ooh girl, nah nah.
My mind's accelerating when I'm thinking about the good times that we had. My friend said you were overrated. I always told them they couldn't understand.
Alright y'all, so just to make this easy, all the decor that I'm using in this video is from Target. I swear Target should sponsor me, but this little plant was $5 and I thought it went so well with the rest of my white and yellow theme that I did for spring, like my daisies. And then I went ahead and moved over my little wedding picture from the other table, and then I put this larger one on the other side table just so it's balanced a little bit, because I felt like this little sunflower and that bud base is very small, so I needed something bigger next to it. I didn't get a picture for this frame though. That's also from Target and I love it, but so I just left it like that for now, but I am gonna replace it with a picture soon, obviously. Then I got this olive tree from Target, but I do feel like it needs some height. I was looking for like a little stool, a little wooden stool, but I could not find one anywhere. I need to try Hobby Lobby, but the Hobby Lobby is not too close to my house, but when I do head over there, I'm definitely gonna pick up like a little stand for that. And now I added these, I got these picture frames from Target for $14. They were on clearance. And then I did leave a poll on my Instagram on whether I should print these pictures that I made on Bazaar in like that neutral beige color or in white. And I will say that most of you guys did vote for the white, but I just couldn't let go of my love for the beige. But basically I made these in Bazaar, and it says the grass withers and the flowers fade, and then the other one says but the word of God lives forever, or I mean will stand forever. But yeah, so I just printed these out on my regular old printer, no Cricut, no nothing. And then I put these inside of the frames and I put them up in my living room, and they were just beautiful, especially for $14 each. It was not a bad deal at all. So definitely, if you guys want to tackle a little project, and I actually seen a very similar canvas set in Target to this, which is where I got the idea from, but it was for an insane amount of money and I was just not willing to spend it. So when I saw these on clearance, I said okay, I can create it myself. So that's a little tip. If you want some canvas art that's a little bit expensive, go ahead and go on Bazaar, make something that's similar, and then buy some frames and stick it in, and you will be so happy.
Still wanna hold you, hold you, hold. Hold you, hold you, hold. Hold you, hold you, hold. I still wanna hold you, hold you, hold. I still wanna hold you, hold you, hold.
So for the frames, I did put them on this side of the mantle because I just felt like it looked so empty, but they were meant to go on the other side, on the left side. And then on this side, a bookshelf is supposed to go, which I have not ordered yet because it just keeps going on sale and off sale and I keep missing it. But this is supposed to go on the other side, and I did stagger them a bit after that, and you'll see that on the end shots here, y'all. But that's it, you guys. I hope that you enjoy this little deep clean slash mini makeover. Let me know what you guys think below, and definitely if you're not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss any more exciting videos coming. Thank you guys for watching until now. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one.
I don't wanna change who you are. The things you say is always one step too far, but I know that I've played my part.